Okay, we'll start the next example. Following are the measurements: air velocity in x and evaporation coefficient in y of burning fuel droplet in an impulse engine. Here x and y values are given. Okay, this is a model question problem. Here they are x. X means air velocity. Y means evaporation coefficient of a impulse engine they have given. Find the best fitting parabola y is equals to x square plus bx plus c to the above data, and hence estimate y is when x equals to 99. Means here they are asking to fit a parabola for given y is equals to x square plus bx plus c. Means here we need to find ABC values. After finding ABC values, we need to fit a parabola for the given data. Okay, after fitting a parabola, we need to find the value of y when x equals to 99. Okay, let's start the example. Solving the normal equations associated with y is equals to x square plus bx plus c are as follows. Summation of y is equals to a into summation of x square plus b into summation x plus nc. Summation of x y is equals to a into summation x cube plus b into summation x square plus c into summation x. Next, summation x square y is equals to a into summation x raised to 4 plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x square. These are the normal equations associated with the parabola equation y equals to x square plus bx plus c. And here n is given, n is equals to 6. Next, you have seen the normal equations. To find the values of a, b, c, we need all these data, that is summation x square, summation x cube, summation x raised to 4, summation x y, summation x square y. Okay. Just to substitute the values of x, y, go on finding first x, y, next x square into y, x cube, x raised to 4. Find out, sum all data. Summation of x we have 720, summation of y we have 2.99. Summation of xy is 435.8. Next, summation of x square is 114400. Summation of x square y is 74636. Summation of x cube is 2044800. Next, summation of x raised to 4 is 388960000. These are the required values to fit a parabola equation. The normal equations becomes summation of y is 2.99, which is equals to summation of x square into a, that is 114400a plus 720b plus n is equals to 6c. Next, summation of xy 435.8. Here it is. Next, summation x cube. Summation x cube is 20448000a. Next, summation of x square b, that is 114400b plus summation of x into c, 720c. Next is summation of x square y, this one 74636 equals to a into summation x cube or summation x cube a. Summation x cube a is this one 388960000a plus 204480000b plus next summation of c, that is 1144 into c. Summation of x square c, that is 114400c. Next, we need to solve this equations to find the values of a. This we need to solve by the calculator which have the equation mode. For example, fx100. One of the calculator which have the equation mode is fx100, or you may have another many calculators which have equation mode. We can use, by using that one we can find the values of ABC. Okay. After finding the values of equation ABC, fit a curve. That is, by substituting the values of ABC in the curve equation, y equals to x square plus bx plus c. That is, y is equals to minus 8.928 into 10 raised to minus 6 x square. Next, here we have obtained the values. A is equals to minus 8.928 into 10 raised to minus 6. B is equals to 4.892 into 10 raised to minus 3. C is equals to 0.0814. Next, substitute the values. fit a curve. Y is equals to minus 8.928 into 10 raised to minus 6. This is a value, ax square plus bx, that is 4.8892 into 10 raised to minus 3 into x plus next one plus c, 0.0814. This is our required curve. Next, we need to find the value of y when x equals to 99. Substitute value of 99 here. That is y is equals to minus 8.928 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 9 square and 99 square plus 4.892 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 99 plus 0.0814. Substitute, simplify. Here we are getting the value of y 0.478 when x equals to 99. Okay, let me show you the calculator how to find unknown quantities by using the equation. Okay, here you can see this on. Okay, here you can on. Next, go for the modes. Here modes are there. We want equation mode. Here it is one, equation 1. Press 1. Okay, here they are asking unknown quantities, whether 2 are there or 3 are there. We need to solve for 3. Okay, so press 3 here. Okay, they are asking A1, A2, A3. A3 coefficients. Okay, first A1. A1 is this one. 114400. Next, press equals to. Next, substitute 720. B2. Sorry, B1 they are asking. Substitute B1, 720. Next, press equal sign. Next, here they are asking C1. C1 is 6. Press equal sign. Next, it came D1. D1 nothing but this one, 2.99. Next, put equal sign. It is again asking for A2. A2 means second. Go for the second equation. That is 20448,000. That is A1. Press equal sign. Go for B2. B2 is 114400. Press equal sign. Next, C2 they are asking 720. Press equal sign. Next, D2 there it is asking, that is 435.8. Next, A3 38896,000. Next, it is asking for B3 20448000. After substituting in one value, you need to press equal sign. Next, C3 114400. Next, put press equal sign. D3 74636. Okay, after substituting the values, you will get the x value. X value is minus 8.928 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, if you take all these values, you will get the answer, exact answer, but just to avoid complications, we are taking only 3 decimals into 10 raised to minus 6. Next, press equal sign. You will get B value, that is 4.892 into 10 raised to minus 3. That's what we have written here. Next, press equal sign. Third unknown quantity, 0.0814. This much you need to do. Here, substituting and finding all the value, 0.478 for 99. Okay, you can see here for 100 it is 0.35, for 60 is 0.37. Similarly, for 99 it is 0.478. Okay, next we have found ABC value. We don't know exactly the ABC values are correct or not. Okay, just we know, when we substitute x equals to 99, we have obtained y equals to 0.478. Okay, here we already have x and y values. When x equals 20, y equals to 0.18. They have to given. Okay, just to cross verify whether these values means whether we have whatever we have obtained ABC values correct or not. Just substitute In this equation, x equals to 20. X equals to 20 means if you substitute x equals to 20, they already given 0.18 value. You must get 0.18 value or some nearer values of 0.18 like 0.17, 0.175 and so on, somewhat like. If you take all the decimal values, you will get exactly 0.18. But here only we are taking 3 decimal values. You may get some nearer values of 0.18. That's like that you can cross verify whatever you have obtained ABC values, those are correct or not. You can just like you can verify.